Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah. Happy Monday morning, we are at it again. I hope you liked the videos that I made over the weekend. Remember, right now I'm posting every single day. We are going for one item to declutter. And today, I was looking in one of the kitchen drawers here, and actually I surprised myself about how much I found. Anyway, a few wee reminders. It's the beginning of a new week, and I'm moving into the next Flylady zone, which is Flylady zone 2, the kitchen. Remember, you can work wherever you like. I just like having the focus. It keeps me going round all of the areas in the house. And before you get into all the decluttering fun, remember to always do your morning routine, your evening routine, your daily routine. And the Flylady focus for today is the upkeep clean, you know, the weekly home blessing hour. I'll be doing mine once I finish work today. Just, 10 minutes on each task. And you don't need anything fancy for your cleaning. Remember, I just use a kind of generic cleaning spray, a couple of cloths, and I'm good to go. But on to what I am decluttering today. As I said, I'm really surprised I've got so much stuff. Let me just turn you around the other way. So I went through where I keep my plastics, food storage, things for packed lunches, and I have them in 2 drawers, the bottom drawers here in the kitchen. And actually I've managed to clear out a whole drawer of stuff. So I'll show you what I'm letting go of today. Hopefully that'll give you some inspiration. And remember to like the video, subscribe, blah, 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 and let me know what you are going to declutter today. Bento box, this was one that belonged to my daughter. I'll check with her, see if she wants it, otherwise no. I've got a lot of food storage because now it's just me and hubby as empty nesters. I do a lot of, make food, and then it can last us a few days, or I freeze it. But I've got an awful lot of these small containers with lids, so those are going. And these will be going to our next swap party. Another packed lunchbox. One of these coffee cups. I never quite understand the ones that you can't close it completely. And we don't drink in the car, so that one is going. I've also got some jam jars. I keep a few jam jars for the jam that I make. But I'll probably hand these on to a friend because lots of my friends are making marmalade right now. We're in marmalade season. And some bottles. And in Denmark, many of all the juice bottles and soda bottles, all of those, they have got what is called pant on them. You get money back. So those are going back to the supermarket where I'll get the deposit back on them. And a couple of water bottles. And I'll just show you the drawer. I'll just get rid of the crumbs and give it a wash out, and I've got a whole drawer free. Woohoo, go me. So I hope that gave you inspiration to just go and find one thing and see how much you end up with. And I will be checking with you again tomorrow, of course, on Tuesday. Tomorrow it's my friend Helena's birthday. It's Helena's birthday tomorrow. Anyway, all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon with the rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.